Happy morning, my dear students. Again, welcome to the active maths. Last time in my last lecture, I have solved the questions of exercise 6.4, 1, 2, 3. Now I would like to continue the questions 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us see, enjoy the active maths and enjoy the mathematics. Okay, let us see. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, if the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that. I am taking the question number 4 of exercise 6.4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that the triangles are congruent. Let us see. According to the question, these are two triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. These two triangles are similar, and what you have to show that? You have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Let us see. It means triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. What you have to show? This triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So what you will do, as according to the question, these two triangles are similar. This is given to you. These triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, it means the sides are in proportion. It means AB upon D is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. It means the sides are in proportion, and means one more thing is given to you. The ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal. This is given to you. The area of these two triangles is equal to same. It means both the triangles have the equal area. Okay. Now you know that these two triangles are similar. It means the ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. It means you write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to AC square upon DF square is equal to BC square upon EF square. This is given to you because according to the question, the area of these two similar triangles is equal, and we know that if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. Okay, now see. This area is equal. It means you can cancel this because area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF by the according to the question. It means 1 is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to AC square upon DF square is equal to BC square upon EF square. Because both the triangles have the equal area, therefore they can cancel. It means you can write AB is equal to DE because square AB square upon DE square equal to 1. It means AB square equal to DE square. It means AB is equal to D. Similarly, AC is equal to DF. Similarly, BC is equal to EF because AB square upon D square equal to 1, AC square upon DF square equal to 1, BC square upon EF square equal to 1. It means AB square equal to D square. So AB is equal to D, AC is equal to DF, BC is equal to EF. It means both the triangles are by this. Both the triangles are congruent by the property side because AB is equal to D, AC is equal to DF, BC is equal to EF. It means you can write a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by the property side. It is a very important question from board point of view. I hope this is clear to you. Again I want to explain that if the two triangles are given similar, it means the ratio of the area of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. and the area is equal, it means it will be cancelled. Then you can write this. Given, what you will write in the given? Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles in which AB upon D equal to AC upon DF equal to BC upon DF. That you can write. And then to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Now proof. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to this, you can write. It means AB equal to AB square equal to DE square, AC square equal to DF square, by BC square equal to F square. All the three sides will be equal. It means both the triangle will be congruent by the property side, side, side. Next question. DEF, question number 5. DEF are the midpoints of the side AB, BC and CA. AB, D, BCE and AC, F. You have to find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle. What you have to show? You have to find the ratio of the area of these two triangles, area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. Okay, this ratio you have to find. These are the midpoints. These are the midpoints, and if these are the midpoints, it means in class 9th you have studied the midpoint theorem. It means the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. Again, I want to tell you what is given to you. ABC is a triangle in which D, E, F are the midpoints, and you have to find the ratio of area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. Clear? See, D, E and F are the midpoints. By the midpoint theorems we know that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. It means DF will be parallel to BE and DF will be parallel to BC and DF will be half of BC by the midpoint theorem. Ultimately you can say DF is parallel to BE. DF is parallel to BE means BEFD is a parallelogram. Similarly, in this triangle, this is parallel to this. This will also be a parallelogram. It means you can say this side is equal to this side. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel. And this side is equal to this side. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal and parallel. Or you can do this angle. This angle, it is a parallelogram. And this angle, both the angles are equal because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay? Now here, this angle will be this angle because this is also a parallelogram. It means opposite angles are equal. It means you can say this triangle is similar to this triangle. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Or you can say DF is parallel to BC and DF is half of BC. So it means these two triangles are similar. It means the ratio of their corresponding sides will be in the ratio. It means area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to, this side is DF square upon this side BC square, and DF is half of BC. It means you can say if you get the double of DF, you will get BC. So you can write here 2D, you can write here DF whole square upon BC. It means you can write this side and this side is equal. It means in place of B you can put DF. 2DF whole square. BC is twice of BE and BE is equal to DF. So you can write 2DF whole square. So you can write here DF square upon 4DF square. DF square cancel. So answer is 4 upon 1. It means the ratio of area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 4. This you wanted to prove or you wanted to get. The ratio of the area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle DABC will be 1 by 4. See again how these two triangles are similar. It means the ratio of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. If the two triangles are similar, so you can write DF square upon BC square, and BC is equal to twice of BE. So in place of BE you can write DF. So 2DF whole square. So DF square upon 4DF square. DF square cancel. Answer is 1 upon 4. This is question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is prove that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. ABC is a triangle. DEF is another triangle. Prove that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Median means this P and this is Q. So what you have to show? The ratio of the area of two similar triangles. Ratio of the area of two similar triangles means if these two triangles are similar, this is given to you. It means the sides are in proportion. So you can write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what is given to you? AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF. This is given to you. And what you have to show? You have to show that ratio of the area of these two triangles. It means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to, what you have to show? These two triangles are similar. This is given to you. If these two triangles are similar given to you, it means the sides are in the proportion. So what you have to show? The ratio of the area of two triangles, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of their corresponding medians, square of their corresponding median. It means AP square upon DQ square. AP square upon DQ square. And you know the property of the median. What is the median? A line segment which joins the midpoint of one side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. It means if P is the midpoint, then AP will be the median, and if Q is the midpoint, then DQ will be the median. It means the ratio of the area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding medians. AP square upon DQ square. And AP is the median, DQ is the median. And this will be the midpoint. It means again I want to explain you the definition of the median. A line segment which joins the midpoint of one side of a triangle to its opposite vertex. Okay? It means this and this will be equal and this will be equal. Clear? Now you take these two triangles. And these two triangles, here you can write BC. BC is equal to EF. So you can write as BC is equal to EF. It means you can write BC as you can write twice BP. twice PB upon EF you can write twice EQ. 2 cancel. Okay, is equal to PB upon EQ. Now take these two triangles are similar, big triangles. So AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF. Okay, now I am taking these two triangles. Let us see this triangle and this triangle, in which triangle ABP in triangle ABP and triangle DEQ. In triangle ABP and triangle DEQ, see AB upon D is equal to PB upon EQ, and this angle is equal to this angle, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. So you can write angle B is equal to angle E. It means these two triangles are similar by the property SAS. It means both the small triangles are similar. As soon as you proved both the triangles are similar, it means sides are in proportion. It means AB upon DE is equal to PB upon EQ is equal to AP upon DQ is equal to AP upon DQ. It means you can write AB upon D is equal to AP upon DQ. Okay, it means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEQ is equal to AB square upon DE square is equal to, that you have proved right now, AP upon DQ. It means AP square upon DQ square, because these two triangles are already similar and the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their square of the corresponding sides. So is equal to AB square upon DE square, you write. And you already proved that these two triangles are similar. It means you can write AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DQ is equal to PB upon EQ. Again I am telling you, AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DQ is equal to BP upon EQ. These two triangles are already similar, and AB upon DE is equal to AP upon DQ now. So you can write AP square upon DQ square. So this is proved. The area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AP square upon DQ square. Next question. Next question is question number 7. Prove that the area of equilateral triangle described on the one side of a sphere. Prove that the area of equilateral triangle, ये equilateral triangle है, इसमें all the sides are equal. Describe on the one side of a sphere is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle on its diagonal. यानी इसका जो एरिया है, जो साइड पे इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल बन रहा है, इसका एरिया बोल दो A1. तो इसका जो एरिया है वो ये जो डायगोनल पे जो ट्रायंगल बनेगा ये, इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया का हाफ होगा. यानी एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल जो होगा A1 वो होगा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल A2 का, यानी DE ABC DE एंड दिस इज F. यानी आपको शो करना है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CEF. This you have to show. What you have to show बेटा? You have to show that ये जो ट्राइंगल है ना, ट्राइंगल ABC जो है ना, वो स्फीयर की दिस साइड पे बना है. अच्छा, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है तो इसकी सब साइड आपस में इक्वल है, एक्स एक्स और एक्स. तो ये वाले का जो एरिया है, इसका एरिया बोल दो A1, और ये जो डायगोनल है, ये स्क्वायर का जो डायगोनल है, और इसके ऊपर जो ट्रायंगल बनता है, इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया का हाफ होता है. यानी आपको शो करना है A1 इज इक्वल टू 1/2 A2, और यू कैन राइट 2A1 इज इक्वल टू A2. तो ये वाला जो एरिया है, इस ट्रायंगल के एरिया का हाफ होता है, ये आपको शो करना है. तो पहली बात, मैं इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल लेता हूं. तो इस एरिया का, इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया क्या हुआ? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का एरिया √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू हो गया √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर मीन एक्स स्क्वायर. तो A1 इज इक्वल टू हो गया आपका √3/4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ आपको सबसे पहले ये साइड निकालना पड़ेगी. तो ये आपका x है, तो ये भी आपका x हो गया. तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड द डायगोनल. तो डायगोनल कैसे निकालोगे? इन ट्रायंगल EDC, इन ट्रायंगल EDC, इन ट्रायंगल EDC, EC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ED स्क्वायर प्लस DC स्क्वायर. यानी हो गया आपका x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर EC स्क्वायर. तो EC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू हो गया आपका 2x स्क्वायर. तो EC इज इक्वल टू हो गया x√2. ये EC इज इक्वल टू हो गया आपका x√2. EC इज इक्वल टू x√2. ये रहा EC. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x इज x स्क्वायर इज x, 2 का नहीं निकलता तो √2. तो इस ट्रायंगल की साइड कितनी हो गई? x√2. इस ट्रायंगल की साइड हो गई x√2. तो इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया कितना हो गया? ये भी इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, तो इसका एरिया क्या हो गया? √3/4 इंटू साइड स्क्वायर. इट मीन्स A2 इज इक्वल टू √3/4 into side square, and side will be this. So A2 is equal to √3/4 into x square into 2. Okay, so you can write here. I think this you have written and it is clear to you. तो आपका हो जाएगा A2 इज इक्वल टू √3/4 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू 2. यानी ये जो पार्ट है आपका, ये आपका पूरा कितना A1 है, तो ये हो गया आपका A1 इंटू 2. तो A2 इज इक्वल टू कितना हुआ? 2A1. तो देखो यही तो शो करना था आपको. A2 इज इक्वल टू 2A1. A2 इज इक्वल टू 2A1. यानी इसका जो एरिया होता है, जो साइड के ऊपर जो ट्रायंगल का एरिया है, वो डायगोनल पे जो ट्रायंगल बनता है इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, उस ट्रायंगल का डबल होता है. तो A2 जो है 2A1 हो गया. ये आपको शो करना था. देखो बेटा, A2 इज इक्वल टू 2A1. क्लियर? आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. एक ये क्वेश्चन हुआ, और आज जो मैंने 4 क्वेश्चन आपको कराए, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. प्लीज टेक केयर. थैंक यू and have a nice day. Wonderful day ahead.